Hi friends, today I want to talk to you about number lines again, but today's number lines are a little bit different. So this number line looks quite a bit different than the number lines we looked at in the past 2 days. So let's look at it. This number line does not start at 0. It starts at 140 here, and the only other number I have on it is 160. We don't always have little numbers at the beginning of our number line. You've seen that in the past few days. This type of number line that doesn't have any little lines on it is called an open number line. And we're going to use it a lot when we get to addition and subtraction. So it's important to understand an open number line. Today, you are going to have some open number lines. Yours do have marks all the way down. And you are going to have to figure out where some numbers go on those number lines, or as close as possible. Sometimes on a number line, we estimate to find out where something goes. So I have the number 140 and I have the number 160, and I might be given a number like 147. Let's pretend. And if my number is 147 and I want to put that on this number line, where am I going to put it? I could count 7, but if my numbers are really far apart, there's not always going to be a line for each number. Sometimes it's going to skip count by ones, like we've talked about, but it might skip count by 5s or 10s or even 20s or hundreds. So I'm going to make a best guess. If my number is 147, I'm going to look at this number line I've been given, and I know 140 and 150. Well, 140, 160. I know that 150 is in the middle between 140, 160, because if we count by 10s, 40, 50, 60. So I'm going to put 150 about here in the middle. And then I can make a better guess on where 147 goes. I know 147 is bigger than 140. I also know 147 is littler than 150. So 147 has to go between here. It cannot go over here. This would be all wrong. Now over here, I have to look a little closer because I noticed that there's not 10 lines here between 140 and 150. But this number can still go here. So now I want to ask, is 147 closer to 140 or is it closer to 150? And if I count, I can decide that 147 is a lot closer to 150 than it is 140. But it's not all the way close to it. So I'm going to put 147 about right here. That's my best guess on where this number goes on an open number line. Because I wasn't given the numbers, and I don't have enough of these little lines are called tick marks, and I don't have enough of them to count all the way. So this is a best guess on where this number would go. This is the skill you are practicing today. When you go to Seesaw, you're going to be given an open number line that has 2 numbers, one on each end. It's not going to start at 0. And then in the middle, you're going to be asked to add in 2 numbers between there on the best guess where they go. Good luck today, friends.